Hey guys, assalamualaikum and welcome again sa Amer TV. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung paano mag-submit ng application for debit card sa East West Bank. So mas madali guys kasi pwede tayo mag-submit online. So yun yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. So first, i-open natin itong Chrome. Okay, so ayan, search natin East West Bank debit card. So yung pinaka-first dyan, yan yung pipindutin natin, yung debit card. Okay, so ayan, i-open lang natin. Okay. Okay, so ito yung mga features and benefits ng East West debit card. So ayan, access your funds anywhere in the world. So pwede natin i-access yung ating account. For example, magta-transfer tayo ng pera or di kaya mag-i-inquire tayo kung ilan yung laman ng ating account. So ma-access natin siya anywhere, okay? So experience cashless purchases. So pag sinabi natin cashless, ibig sabihin kahit hindi siya cash, for example, wala tayong cash, so pwede natin ibayad mismo yung ating debit card. So pwede tayong magbayad ng ating binili gamit ang ating East West debit card, okay? So ayan, be protected with best-in-class security. So ayan, meron silang security. So protected yung ating debit card. Ayan. So conveniently control your ATM withdrawals, point of sale, and online purchase. So, pwede natin i-control yung ating online purchases. For example, may binibili tayo online. So, pwede natin siya i-control or di kaya may gumagamit ng ating debit card. For example, nawala. So, pwede natin i-control through online. Okay? So, meron silang East West online and mobile app. So, gaya ng BPI, so meron silang online application. Okay? So, yun. So, ayan. Dito tayo, how to get a debit card. So, ayan. So, ito yung steps, guys. Ayan. So, download and fill out the account opening form. So, ngayon, magda-download tayo ng form na galing kay East West. So, after that, pag na-fill up natin, so, pupunta tayo sa step 2, email the completed form and requirements. So, mag-email tayo ngayon kay East West. Kasama yung ating requirements. So ayan. Then visit your preferred store upon receipt of email confirmation to claim your card. Okay, so mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan. Okay, so pindutin natin itong here para makita natin yung form. Okay, ayan. So ngayon, as you can see, meron ditong email. So easyway at eastwestbanker.com. So, dyan tayo mag-email ng ating requirements at saka yung form na pinilapan natin. Okay? So, i-download natin yung form. Okay? So, i-check natin kung ano ba yung dapat na pirmahan. Okay, so ito yung form nila, guys. So, ayan. As you can see, meron ditong name. So, ilalagay natin yung last name, first name, at saka yung middle name natin. So, mga basic lang ito, basic data. So, yung TIN number natin, birth date, place of birth, ayan, nationality or country of origin. Okay? So, kung wala tayong TIN, guys, meron ditong reason for no TIN, please select. So, kung wala tayong TIN, ano yung reason natin kung bakit wala tayong TIN? Okay? So, ayan, SSS. And GSIS number, kung may SSS number tayo, ilalagay lang natin dyan. Then, mother's maiden name, citizenship, gender. So, I think mga basic lang ito, guys. Then, marital status. So, ayan. Then, current local home, kung saan yung current address natin, kung saan tayo nakatira ngayon, okay? Then, yung permanent natin, kung saan yung for example, kung saan tayo pinanganak. So, yun yung permanent address natin. Kung saan tayo nakatira dati. Okay? So, home phone number, mobile number, so ayan. Then, office phone number kung meron tayong trabaho. Like, nasa office tayo, so ilalagay lang natin dito, okay? Then, US person, so ayan. Select lang natin ito, no. So, ayan. Then, source of wealth or funds, kung anong pinanggagalingan ng ating income every month. So, kung business income, so i-check lang natin yan. So, nandyan naman lahat, salary or benefits. Ayan. Okay. Then next is yung employment status. Kung employed tayo, so ilagay lang natin ito employer. Then self-employed. Ayan. Then job title. So ilalagay natin dito kung ano yung job title natin. Like for example, position or anong title ng ating trabaho. So ilalagay lang natin dito. Then nature of employment business. So kung anong nature niya, for example, kung nasa office ka, so it's either information technology kung encoder. So makikita naman dito guys, pipiliin nyo lang dito sa nature of employment or business. Okay, so ayan. Then name of employer, kung sino yung boss natin, kung sino yung may-ari ng company na pinasukan natin. So ilalagay natin dito sa employer business address, okay? So ayan, employer business phone. Ayan. Ilalagay din natin yung business address dito. Kasunod ng employer name. Dito sa ibaba, as you can see, meron ditong employer or business address. Okay. Then, yung beneficial owners or information, if any. So, ayan. Kung sino yung beneficial natin. So, ilalagay natin dito. Tsaka yung birth date niya. Then, place of birth. Okay. Then, current address. Then, nature of employment. Then, source of funds. Okay. Ayan. So, ito, basahin lang natin ito. So, select lang natin itong no. Okay, so, ayan. So, yes lang natin ito. I-check lang natin itong yes. So, ibig sabihin, naka-agree tayo ngayon sa terms and conditions ni East West Bank. Okay, so, ayan. So, ito, sign lang fill up lang tayo dito or mag-sign lang tayo dito. So, signature or printed name of customer and date or date. So, ilagay lang natin dito yung big letters na pangalan natin, then pirma natin sa taas at saka yung date. Okay. Ayan. So, after that, for example, tapos na tayo. So, okay na yon. So, ito sa baba for bank use only. So, sila na lang yung mag-fill up niyan. So, yung sa atin is hanggang dito lang. So, pag after that, tapos na tayo mag-fill up. So, ngayon, i-email natin dito. Pindutin natin yung email. So, automatically, mapupunta tayo dito. Okay, so, ayan. So, ngayon, i-email natin yung form, saka yung requirements. So, kung may valid ID tayo, so, i-scan lang natin. So, after natin ma-fill up yung ating form, so, i-scan lang natin, guys. And then, i-save natin sa cellphone or di kaya sa computer. Then, ngayon is, i-email natin sa kanila. At saka yung requirements natin. Kung may payslip tayo, guys, mas maganda kasi doon sila magbabase. Okay? So, email din natin yon. Saka yung, kung may 2 valid ID tayo, so, kailangan natin email yun siya, guys. Okay? So, ngayon, i-attach lang natin ganyan. Then, hanapin lang natin dito. Then, i-attach natin. So, let's say naka-attach na natin, guys. So, pindutin lang natin itong send sa gilid. So, masisend na yan. Okay? So, after natin masend, guys, ayan. So, ito yung valid ID with photo and signature. Proof of billing showing your name and home. So, ID lang yung kailangan, guys. So, ayan. At saka yung proof of billing. For example, yung Meralco. Yung water bill natin. Okay. So, ayan. Then, visit your prepared East West store upon receipt of email confirmation and claim your debit card or passbook. Okay. So, ngayon, visit natin ngayon yung ating East West Bank. So, makikita natin dun sa receipt of email yung confirmation nila. So, pag after natin mag-send ng email, so, magre-reply sila. Then, dun natin i-claim ngayon yung ating debit card or passbook. Okay. So, guys, ito yung requirements, yung form, saka yung valid ID with photo and signature. For example, passport, driver license. So, yan yung mga primary IDs. Then, proof of billing showing your name and home address. So, for example, yung water bill at saka Meralco. So, pwede na yun siya, guys. Basta nandun yung pangalan natin. Okay. So, madali lang, guys. So, ayan. So, ngayon, wait na lang natin kung let's say nasend na natin yung email. So, wait na lang natin yung reply ni East West Bank para ma-claim natin yung ating debit card or yung ating passbook, okay? So, sana makatulong ito sa inyo. So, again, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Amer TV for the latest videos na aking i-upload. Sukran and wassalam.